Hello everyone. Have you ever wasted precious time scrolling through endless rows and columns in Excel just to find one piece of data? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own custom search engine in Excel. Using the power of VBA, we'll build a professional search tool that's fast, efficient, and easy to use. Let's dive in. As you can see, for example, to search for data, you can search with combo box or without combo box. For example, to search one, as you can see, all data with one. For example, Benim, John, so here is what we'll create today: a fully functional search tool. You can type a keyword, select a column, and instantly see your result display in a sleek and organized interface. Whether you're managing employee records, inventory, or financial data, this tool will make your life so much easier. So, first, let's set up our Excel file. So make sure your data is clean and organized with headers in the first row. In my example, I have columns for ID, name, date, department, and salary. You can customize this based on your data structure. Now, let's jump into the VB editor. Press Alt F11 to open the editor. Now go to Insert, User Form to create a user form. Alright, this is where we'll design our custom search engine interface. In the user form, add the following: text box for entering search keywords, combo box to select the column you want to search, and list view to display the search results, and the button for search. So we have text box, here, and combo box, right? Then one button. Okay. Then we need a list view. Right, now let's name the button and text box and combo box. Select the button, then go to name and name it button btn search. And this txt search, and combo box with cmb filter. Right, list box the same name. Right, next we'll add the magic. Let's write the VBA code to power our search tool. We'll make it dynamic so it can search across all columns and filter data in real time. Okay, right. So right click on the user form, then before I will name this button search. Okay, so right click on the user form, code, then I will delete this. I have all the code here, select all, right? Then the second one for button search, then put it here, enter, and paste it here. To write the code it will take a lot of time, so I will just copy and paste, and if you'd like the code, tell it to me in the comments and I will send it to you. Right? Okay, now everything is okay. Now let's name our sheet with this name, sheet 1. Okay, sheet 1. Okay, now let's create another button here to open the user form. Go to developer, insert, button, right click on it, visualize. Okay, user form 1 dot show, user form 1 that we have created. That is the name of the user form, show. Right, go back to the sheet, right click on it, properties. Okay, then go to form, right, now go to developer. Okay, now everything is okay. Let's test our, for example, John or G. As you can see, that is the results. Everything is okay. Go to developer, Visual Basic, right click properties to change the color to this one. Okay, select the list view, then go to fonts, bold. Let's test again. Okay, select the text box and combo box, and then choose borders, go to text align, center, go to fonts and choose bold. Okay, now everything is ready. for example 10 are the results. Then and that's it. You've just built your very own custom source engine in Excel. This tool will save your time, boost your productivity, and impress your colleagues or clients. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, for the codes, tell it to me in the comments, then I will send it to you. Right? See you in the next video. One more point, okay, don't forget to save your file as macro, right? Go to file, save as, then type to second one and name your file, then okay, my file, then okay.